Hello students, hope you all are fit and fine at home. Yes students, today we are going to start our block 8 lesson plan 4. Before this we have completed 3 lesson plan of this block. I hope you all have completed your homework also. What did you do in previous class? Yes. Recall in your mind, what did you do in your previous class? Silent E letter words we have made. And before this, what did we do? Before this we wrote a poem on favorite hobby or sport. What is our today's topic? Our today's topic is reciting a poem. Reciting a poem. Recite means we will sing the poem. Yes. And what will be the keywords for today's poem? Naming words, doing words. And resources for today's class: workbook and notebook. Agenda as usual: questioning, discussion, activity, then worksheet. After then we will move for homework part. Students, what is our today's aim? Today we will listen the poem which you have written in your S2. Means in lesson plan 2, you wrote a poem on your favorite sport or favorite hobby. Today we will listen that poem. So today, as we are not in class, so we are not able to listen the poems which are written by other students. Yes, so what will you do? I will show you 2-3 poems. I will recite them and then you will listen it, and then you will observe the important words in the poem. So what is our today's aim? Our today's aim to recite a poem and listen the important words in the poem. This is our today's aim, to recite a poem and listen for important words. Means we will sing a poem, we will read the poem with the rhythm, and then we will listen for important words. We will keep this thing in mind that we are reading the poem, we are reciting the poem to listen for the important words. Important words को ढूंढने के लिए हम poem को recite कर रहे हैं. Student, now move to the action part. What will we do now? I will recite the poem. Yes, I have written 2 poems on the board and I will recite that poem. What will you do? You will listen it very carefully and you will write one of these poems in your worksheet. In your today's worksheet, you will write this poem in your workbook, and then you will find out some word which I tell you later on. First, I am going to recite the poem and you will listen it very carefully. This is my first poem, students. I am going to recite it. He runs, runs, runs on walls, running on track, fast, fast on hurdle, jumping up high in the air. He is my favorite runner. This was the first poem. Now again I am going to start the second poem. I will recite it and you will listen it very carefully. Now I am going to recite the second poem. Now you will listen it very carefully. Kick, 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 kick the ball. Focus on the ball. Save the ball from others. Let you and your team be the winner. Student, now it's time for analysis part. Now I am going to ask some questions. Yes, just now you have listened to poem. My first question is, can you title the poems which just you have listened? Can you title the poem just you have listened? Right, yes. For example, if I am taking this poem, yes, you can guess what about it. Yes, what is the poem about? Yes, this poem is about the running. You can give this title Runner. Yes, and you can give your own title also. And this is also the other one poem. What title can you give? What title would you like to give this poem? My title is Footballer. My title is Footballer, as this is the poem about a game. And which is the game? Yes, football. Students, now tell me the next question answer. Which naming words and doing words did you hear in this poem? Which naming words and doing words did you hear in this poem? Just now I have recited the poem. As it is now, still it is on the board. You can find out the doing words and the naming words. Parents, please pause the video here so the students can find out the naming word and the doing words. As they learned about this in the previous class also. Yes, right. Yes, what will be the naming word here? Yes, walls. What is it? It is a naming word. Yes, it is a naming word. Track. This is also a naming word. Students, walls, track, air, runner, bowl, winner, team. What are these? Can you guess about it? Right, these are the naming words. Okay, now think about the doing words. Which are the doing words here? The action word. Very simple. Run, running, jumping. These are the doing words here. Kick, all with kick. Yes, these are also the doing words. Save, goal. What are these? These are the doing word, the action word. As we learnt about how to make naming words from the doing words by adding er. Did you remember, students? You might have remembered this thing. Yes, by adding er in the doing word, we are making the naming word like win, win. What is this? This is a action word. If we are adding er here, what is it now? This is now a naming word. Same how run. What is this run? Run is a doing word. When we are adding er, now it is a naming word. Student, now next question is, which of the er word that you heard tell you about the people who do that sport or hobby?
58.
The words which ends with er, they do the action. Means painter. Who paints? That is called a painter. The person who paints, we call out that person by naming painter. Player. Who plays? Who do the action of playing? Yes, player. Singer sings. Dancer dances. Runner runs. Teacher teaches. Helper helps. Winner wins. Sweeper sweeps. What are the different things that help you to recite a poem? Right. Memorizing and thinking about important naming words and doing words help us to recite a poem. Yes, memorizing and thinking about naming words and important doing words help us to recite a poem. Means these are the different things which help us to recite a poem. Now it is time for application part. What will you do? You will complete your workbook which is given on page number 49. As for you will complete given on page number 49 your workbook. It must be completed within 10 minutes. Students, open page number 49. As for reciting a poem. Question number 1. Listen to the poems and fill in the charts. Here what will you do? You will listen the poem as in activity. I recited 2 poems. You will write the poems. You will write about these poems. Title, sport or hobby, naming words, doing words. As in first poem, which sport did we talk about? You will write about that sport or hobby, then naming words, and after then doing words. Now question number B, what will you do? Again you will write here the same sport or hobby. You will listen 2 poems. In activity part, here you will write about the second poem. In C part, you will write about your own poem which you have written on S2. Yes students, now it is time for homework. What will you do in today's homework? You will choose any of the one topic, then you will write a short poem on it in your notebook. At last it's time for summarization part. Okay student, what have we learned today? Yes, we have first recited a poem, then after reciting a poem, listen for the important words. We have found out the words the doing words and the naming words. The naming words which are with the words which are made by the doing words. Yes, so this was our today's aim and we have achieved it successfully. Now be ready for the next class also, and the resources for next class only your grammar guide. Thank you. Have a nice day.